Alright, tire's now off. Let's get it broke down. This is for the do-it-yourselfer. There's one side. The tires ain't exactly wide either. Not exactly light. Now we got your other side broke down. So I got any battery left? Not much. Get that noise thing off. You're gonna have to flip it back over. Then I'll have to get the tire bar. Keep all the mud and crud out of it though. Get a good grip on it. We got anything left, or is it going dead on me? 3 minutes, okay. Tire bars. If I was a professional, I'd use bigger ones. But I ain't a professional. And I don't do this very often. Soak down the bead with penetrating oil and hopefully she'll slide off. 4 minutes. Reach in there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but reach in, pull her up. You guys see that? Could if I went down here, I think. You see there. And grab the other one. You can get it in there. Just little bites at a time. little bites at a time. And she'll come. It's not as hard as a lot of people think it is. These tires are very, very flexible. And sometimes I find easier to do than car tires, because they have so much give to them. Like I said, you don't really need them big tire bars, tools like these professionals use. These are equipped. If I were to do this out on the job, these are the tools I'd have with me. As you can see, that ain't very hard at all. And since I'm not taking the tire off this time, I only got to have one side done. Now, hard part is getting it picked back up to get the tube out. Let's try to get her done. Maybe not. I get the tube to come out. Not very hard at all. See that? Nice big tube. There's the tube. There ain't much to it at all. Wonder why he's got a 13.6, 14.924. I wonder if that's the... I already know the tires are 14.924. But it ain't a 13.6. This tire is a 13.5. I wonder if that's part of my problem. Alright, we'll air her up. We're going to see where the leak is. Alright, bye for now.